and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to the third installment of the Highway 80 sale haul. So if you haven't watched the first two videos, I had a wonderful time sourcing last weekend at the Highway 80 sale. I picked up so many treasures, vintage jewelry, glass, you name it. So it's storming, just like my last video. It's that time of year here in Texas. We've got thunder and lightning. The dogs are kind of running around, so I apologize for any background noise going on right now, but I'm doing the best I can. Okay, guys, back to filming. Sorry about that. I knew that was going to happen. Do you hear that pitter patter? We have one dog. It's always the large dogs that are the scaredy cats. She is part shepherd, part husky, and she gets really scared during storms, so she keeps coming in here to be by me. So anyway, these items I got at the highway sale. There's some incredible pieces here. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to start over here. Oh my gosh, guys. So I got these are from Mexico, and they're just these little terracotta snails, and I couldn't resist. They're so cute. I think they're vintage. I need to clean them again. They were very dirty. I thought, you know what? I'm just going to leave them here and show them because they'll probably be in a sale this weekend. Speaking of which, I do have my Saturday sale tomorrow at noon Eastern with Sabrina. Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. And then on Sunday night, I'm honored to be among the Chatty Kitties, and that sale is at 9 Eastern, 8 Central, and this week it'll be on Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. So guys, I'm super excited. You can consider these items previews for the next few sales. I'm so sorry, guys. You know, it's that time of year in Texas. We got some severe thunderstorms happening right now. Okay, so anyway, I showed the snails. This is a gorgeous piece. It is from Portugal. It is marked here. Now, this does have a lot of crazing. I just thought this was a beautiful piece. I love the shape. I love the flowers. And I just love it. Okay, so back here is an antique. This is Art Nouveau photo album. Sadly, it didn't come with any pictures. It's like it's never been used. I'm just going to show you briefly how amazing it is. Look at this beautiful detail. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these flowers. I haven't tried to clean it or anything. This is how I bought it. It's in good condition, considering, you know, that it's an antique. And I did look this one up. It was saying 1910. So yeah, beautiful. I love this so much. Next to that is this amazing cat lamp. So it does work. I'm going to insert a picture because I don't have an outlet where I am. So I'm going to insert a picture so you can see this kitty and how it lights up. But it's this beautiful kind of like a mottled amber color glass, and it is amazing. I think it's vintage. Back here there are 3 large keys that are wall decor. These are made by Dart. This one is like the medium size one. I don't have a lot of room to really show you, but I put the big one kind of leaning back there. This is the smaller one. It has a fleur-de-lis. These are incredible. I was so excited to find them all together. Then I found this gorgeous decanter. I love this so much. So this is amber, and it does say, does it say Bohemia? I believe it does on the bottom. If only it would focus for us. Yeah, it's going to be really hard to see because there is some wear, but it says Bohemian glass. It's beautiful. I love the lines. It's just in such wonderful condition. It has the topper. It's great. Then this is this really cool hand-turned vase. I fell in love with it. I like the shape. And I just thought it was super cool. Here it is. Really fun piece. I don't remember if it was signed. It is not, but I love my boho. I couldn't leave that behind. Then I found this old box It does have a latch here, and it also has a handle. When I say old, it's vintage. I don't think it's antique or anything like that, but it's cool. It's more contemporary, made to look older. Then here is something I'm probably keeping. I did find this little carved owl. I'll zoom in on the jewelry pieces here. Well, maybe. Woo! There we go. He is super cute, and I love him. Okay, so does anyone know what this is? Does anyone know? This is a sporran, and I know that because of where I went to high school. We had a Scottish band, and this is a sporran. It was something you would wear with a kilt, so it's like a bag. I picked it up. It's probably something, well, it is something that you would see people wearing at a Ren fair, but I thought it was still really cool. You could even use it as a purse if you wanted to, but it's got this amazing Celtic design on it. It's also embossed in the leather there. It's really cool, and it looks brand new. I thought that was just so fun, and I had to get it. And back here is this beautiful glass duck. I love him. I love the colors on this one. He's looking up. He's so cute. Then, oh my gosh, I got two sea creatures. This is a walrus paperweight, and he is amazing. Do you see him? Oh my gosh, I love him. I love him, I love him. Then I got this vintage seal. She is so cute. I don't think there was a marking on her. I have several little sea creatures, so I was instantly drawn to them, and I'm sure Katie Berg, if you're watching, you might be too. Something we have in common. So then I picked up some gorgeous artisan pieces. This is a beautiful, beautiful necklace. So you've got some glass beads, but then you have all these natural stones. This is some beautiful agate. Look at this, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. It ends in the crystals here, and it just goes right over your head. I thought that was really pretty. There we go. Trying to zoom in better. Look at this stone right here. How pretty is that? Then I picked this one up. So this is rose quartz, and it's got some dragonfly beads there. Really, really pretty. I'm trying to remember the clasp on this one. This is a toggle clasp. Really, really pretty. I love the green with the rose quartz. Stunning. Okay, then back here, I'm kind of jumping around a little bit, is this beautiful necklace. So this is tiger's eye, I do believe. Well, it may not be. Maybe pulling out the Presidium on this too. This is just a beautiful, beautiful necklace. I love this carved piece. Like, I'm not sure if it's carved or not. Could just be how it was naturally found, but it's cool. If it is carved, I'm not quite sure what it is supposed to depict, but it's beautiful. Then I found this. I think this is in its original box. This is alpaca silver from Mexico. It has some beautiful inlay. Looks like there's some turquoise and abalone. I'm having trouble focusing because it's so dark outside. But yeah, here is the bag. It does say alpaca back there. This is a unique one. If I can get a good deal, I'm always going to pick up alpaca pieces. They're really popular, and I love them as well. So I'd never seen this design before. I just thought it was beautiful. I also loved these. These are newer, but they are glass rhinestones. Who doesn't need a big set of hoops like this? You got like double the rhinestones, and I love that there's gray. They're really nicely made. Then over here is this set, and this is vintage as well. It comes with this amazing gold tone and turquoise necklace. Look at this, guys. It is in such wonderful condition. I'm gonna have to research this. I don't know who makes it. It also comes with this amazing ring. Look at this. It's so cool. Sadly, it is not adjustable. I think it's probably a 7 or an 8 based on my ring size, but is that not amazing? And then it comes with 2 pierced earrings. Absolutely gorgeous. Are they marked? No, I don't see a marking on those. So those are wonderful. Then I got this amazing antique pin cushion. It is a souvenir piece in Chicago. I was so excited when I found this. I love these Art Nouveau pieces, just absolutely beautiful. Then I got this Petty Point stowaway mirror. It actually has a stand. I have bought and sold these before. It comes in its original packaging, which is just awesome. And as you can see, it has a magnifying part to it as well. I love that. Those are so good for travel, and it's so vintage. It's just amazing. Okay, I'm panning over everything to make sure I showed it all. I think I did. So anyway, don't forget about the sales this weekend. So I was going over some of my paperwork, and I still haven't invoiced from a couple sales ago, and I apologize. I will get to that. To save everyone on shipping, I decided just to go ahead and wait until after the sales this weekend. So if you need anything right away, you can always shoot me an email. I apologize. It has been, it's been rough. I do want to give you guys somewhat of an update on Dexter. I wasn't going to do it in this video, but I think I will. He is not doing too well. They found a mass on his liver, and we are working with our vet to try to find a different vet who can do a biopsy, possibly surgery, but they're wondering if maybe this mass on his liver is what's causing all these problems. So as you can imagine, it's been hard, and Mom's not been doing well at all either. So, you know, that's what's going on here. So again, I apologize for any delays and anything. You know, if you reach out and you say you want an invoice, I always do that right away. But I haven't forgotten about you. If you haven't gotten it yet, I will get to it. Probably starting on Monday. It depends on whether or not I'm doing a jewelry sale Monday. Okay, lots of information there at the very end of this video. But let me know what your favorite item is. I want to show you what mine might be the walrus. I don't know. He's pretty cool. Of course, I love this. And wait till y'all see that. And the keys, I love it all, obviously. All right, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye.